Yeah, actually, this looks really good. Hey, what's up guys? Here we have another amazing episode to show you guys what's going on in the shop. This is a brand new Defender getting a stealth protection film. Alexa's just doing some final touches along the edges. We actually did this one quite fast, so we don't have too much of the original finish except on the trunk. I think you can actually still see the trunk, but just want to show you guys handles removed to fully wrap under there to make sure it's fully seamless. We even wrapped this in the new Nosotech gloss black, so it looks really good. So this is the original color, and you guys can really see this is protection film, this is the original paint, but with a satin finish. So protection with a new finish. It's a win-win for people who really like their original color but just really want this finish here. So another thing too, it's really easy to maintain this stuff. It's so silky smooth, I love it. So this is what's going on this side. We got window tints left on it. The glass, this used to be silver too, so we wrapped that in gloss black to match everything, make it real two-tone on the top. And that's going to be pretty much it for this one. It should be done by the end of the day. And on this side we have a Porsche 911. This is a 997 cabriolet. It's a very great looking car, especially for the generation. One of my favorite generations actually. And what we're doing to it is making it look like a bullet. That's what the client was looking for. So we're gonna be wrapping the entire thing in the Avery brushed black aluminum. The team is not in today. We did all the prep work yesterday. Started removing a lot of the things. But because of COVID, obviously we have some weird delays with the material. We'll only be getting that tomorrow. So once that gets in, we're gonna get that started. But I'm really excited to show you guys what oh, actually, you know, we did a little sample piece here. So we did the sample piece here to show the client what it would look like with keeping the protection film under the wrap. So we suggested to keep it. It is a 54,000 kilometer car, so this is all original. The paint's in really good condition, and yeah, you're gonna see a small little line that goes through it, but this is Porsche original factory piece, and it's still gonna protect the quarter, even if the vinyl could chip on this area, because it is wider on the rear on the 4S models. It's still gonna have that protection. So we're gonna be doing full wrap, window tints, powder coating the wheels, some small little touches in the emblems, making them black, I think, as well. But we'll gonna show you that when we're gonna get that done. And over here we have the GLE 53. This big monstrous truck is gonna get a full front end protection with the rocker panels, rear bumper. And again, it's the same thing. Always got to think about how the car is designed, where most impacts happen. So you guys see a lot of the videos of us talking about the Model 3s, Model Ys, and how the paint will chip on the rockers. Well, it's the exact same thing with the Mercedes. This flares out, the front tire protrudes, it comes past the front of the front door. So it's always going to be throwing debris towards the rear. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding the protection film just to make sure that this whole piece here is going to be fully protected. If ever it does chip down the line, you can just change the protection film. You don't have to worry too much, and you can just enjoy the car. So just finished prepping this one. We're designing the kit to make sure everything is seamless on it. And let me take you over to the other side where we got some updates, and we also have the finished Rolls Royce Wraith, which look really good. So come with me, guys. So this is a sneak peek, guys. Sneak peek of what we're gonna be doing for, I think it's gonna look really cool for some photo shoots in here when the car's fully done. But this Rolls Royce Wraith just got the silver part of it completely wrapped in satin pearl white, which is one of the most beautiful white finishes that's available up until now. It's extremely elegant, classy, fits the car perfectly. And this type of finish could even go on a sports car. It's the same color that we wrapped Avlo's 918. We use this color so many times. It's just amazing how beautiful it is. So we wrapped everything that was silver just to remove that two-tone and give it a more subtle look. And team nailed it. It looks really good. It's ready for the road. This car actually belongs to Vanguard Rentals, a rental car company here in Montreal. Check them out. They do a lot of luxury rental cars and they're great people. So we had the pleasure of working on this beast for them and hopefully many others down the line. So kind of want to show you guys what it looked like with just these lights on. What we actually decided was we're gonna probably install this type of lighting all around the shop on all the walls. So this way you can see how bright it is right now. But what we really want is a great environment for everybody to do their work. And we just wanna see everything. So if you look at the side of the car, we're not gonna have any dark corners. We also just picked the color of the walls that they're gonna come and do tomorrow. We will show you that actually. Do I have the paint samples here? I think this is it. Yeah, we're looking at the samples. So this is the color that's gonna be going on the walls tomorrow. We're gonna be doing the beams in black, ceilings in black. So it's gonna make it really nice when we're detailing the cars. We can see all the little imperfections. Doors going black as well. And yeah, it's finally coming together. Super excited to get this done for you guys, to finally bring all the cars in. And we got Steve's S63 right there just chilling. Beautiful, beautiful cars. Anyways, I'm excited to open up this space for you guys so that we can do amazing work for you guys. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. We're gonna be releasing a lot more content, especially since we're also booked up until almost end of March now. So guys, you gotta call early if you wanna book your appointment with us because it's getting booked up fast. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.